Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk to you about how to produce biogas step by step. Biogas is a type of renewable energy that is produced from organic matter such as food waste, yard waste, and agricultural waste. It is a sustainable and environmentally friendly source of energy that can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and provide energy for homes and businesses. Step 1. Collect organic waste. The first step in producing biogas is to collect organic waste. This can include food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials that can be turned into compost. It is important to collect the waste in a way that allows it to decompose without causing any damage to the environment. Step 2. Compost the waste. Once the organic waste has been collected, it needs to be composted. Composting is the process of slowly breaking down the organic waste over time. This process creates a natural fertilizer that can be used to grow crops or applied to soil to improve its fertility. Step 3. Construct a digester. The next step is to construct a digester. A digester is a large container that is used to store the compost and organic waste. It is important to construct the digester in a way that allows for the proper fermentation of the organic waste to produce biogas. Step 4. Add microorganisms. To further promote the fermentation process, it is essential to add microorganisms to the digester. These microorganisms are responsible for breaking down the organic waste and producing biogas. This can be done by adding a specific type of bacteria or by adding compost to the digester. Step 5. Start the fermentation process. Once the digester has been constructed and the microorganisms have been added, it is time to start the fermentation process. This involves allowing the organic waste and microorganisms to mix together and produce biogas. It may take several weeks for the process to fully begin. Step 6. Monitor and maintain the digester. It is important to monitor and maintain the digester to ensure that it is producing biogas at a steady rate. This can be done by regularly testing the gas produced and adjusting the amount of organic waste added to the digester as needed. In conclusion, producing biogas from organic waste is a simple and sustainable way to generate renewable energy. By collecting organic waste, composting it, constructing a digester, adding microorganisms, and starting the fermentation process, you can produce biogas that can be used to power your home or business. Thank you for listening.